satellite image shows large fissure has been caused by the powerful 7.1 magnitude earthquake that we had a few hours ago, basically. This is the image of the fissure that has opened up close to the epicenter near Ridgecrest, California, in the Coso volcanic field. That earthquake, as we know, happened about 8:19 in the evening, and Saturday evening, and of course this image was taken Sunday morning with the day's light, of course. It's not the only damage that has been done in the area. From what they say, this is the area that held a body of water, but all the water has been sucked out because it has somehow, with the shaking of the ground, been absorbed under the surface of the earth there. But also his videos of the drone footage, you'll see that it has shown areas of a highway that has split in certain sections. This is cracked across the pavement, and also shows how it has shifted. It has shifted to one side, the whole asphalt of the highway. Part of the highway has now been closed. They're trying to somehow fill in the cracks. I don't know when that highway will be opened, but I'll leave a link below so you can enjoy the embedded videos and the images of the cracked highway, also the drone footage of what the highway looks like. You can see the split. It looks like it's moved a whole half a foot, if not more, from one side to the other, and it's offset. Now this was from, as we know, the major quake of 7.1 magnitude that shook California on Saturday. It was my Saturday, it was maybe their Friday, I don't know. But it was local time 8:19, and Highway 178 cracked as seen on the pavement. Construction workers are trying to fill in the cracks. It's also, there's broken water line in the town, a little town of Trona. That was after the 6.4 magnitude earthquake hit Ridgecrest on July 4th. The geoscientists at the University of Massachusetts claimed that the earthquake on July 4th showed simultaneous slip on two perpendicular faults, which is uncommon. Now, many of us wondering if these complications were actually the normal, and that our instruments 10 years ago were not sensitive enough to pick up these complications. This is what one of the geologists, Cook, told Live Science. There have been, this past day alone, over 1,500 aftershocks in the area, total, not just 2.5 magnitude or greater, but total. And from what it says here, there have been 159 of magnitude 2.5 or greater that were recorded after the first 6.4 earthquake on July 4th. But despite the magnitude of both earthquake, the 6.4 on July 4th and the 7.1 on Saturday, there were no reports of deaths, thank goodness. Now, the quakes did, though, result in several gas leaks and burst water pipes, and the gas leaks that caused fires in the area. And again, no casualties, thank goodness. And I'll leave links below for you for this on CBS Los Angeles and on Sputnik. If you'd like to join me on my Patreon account, you will hear content not covered by mainstream media. These riveting stories will be based on my research, and I will state my opinions and give my personal insight on diverse and controversial subjects and world events not covered by mainstream media, and not supported by YouTube guidelines. So whatever I have on my Patreon most of those will not be on my YouTube channel. Please consider becoming a member today. More of the most significant and important videos will be on my Patreon channel. Your support helps me to continue my research and keeps this YouTube channel alive. And we depend on your support, your generous charity, because we help economically challenged families here in Athens, Greece, in Kapota, and we also help the young generation with university tuition and the community around our church. Thank you.